You're what up? Bet you guys haven't seen this jacket in a while, right? Well, the weather's finally getting nice, and pretty soon instead of wearing the other red flannel that I used to ride most of the time, you're gonna be seeing this nice little Kiss denim jacket more on the camera. Welcome back to another video, guys. It is a beautiful day today. 61 degrees, blue skies, clear skies. Wanted to take the opportunity out today just to chill in my garage, hang out, talk to you guys, let you guys know my thoughts on why I think Harley Davidson is the best bike to get. If you're new to my channel, this is my 2020 Lowrider S that little by little we are building out, making it look beautiful, making it sound amazing, and bringing you guys tons of awesome content at all times. Now we're gonna roll an intro, and after that we're gonna get into all the reasons why I think Harley Davidson is the best bike for you to have. Alright guys, so right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you one of the main reasons why a Harley is the best bike for you to have, and that's customization. These bikes, especially this bike, so this is my 2020 Lowrider S, and this bike is so customizable in every way. The amount of parts that Harley Davidson offers for these bikes, plus a lot of their other models. So if you are on a Sportster lineup right now, if you're riding a Lowrider S, a Street Bob, a Fat Bob, those are going to be the most of the main bikes that you could probably customize and make your bike out to be super different from factory. It's just amazing. It's hard to see another bike that's going to look the same as yours. On top of that, you have all these third-party companies that make parts for these bikes as well. So you can have your Harley Davidson parts, your third-party parts, and there's just so much you could do with them, and that comes down to every little detail, from the foot pegs to the exhaust to the seats to the air breathers to paint jobs to the fairings to the brake levers to the mirrors to everything. It's just so much. Every little single part on this bike can be customized to your liking, and it's just the best feeling to know that your bike is not going to be like any other bike that you see on the road, as opposed to other companies and other bikes out there. That's not to say that I'm a Harley Davidson bias, because if you guys know, I'm a huge fan of sport bikes, huge fan of naked bikes, huge fan of supermotos and other bikes all around. I just love all different type of bikes. If I was able to have 5 or 10 different bikes, I would literally have a different type of bike in my garage for every different type of ride, different type of day, different type of mood, whatever it is. I just love all bikes or in general, so I'm not gonna be biased. This is not the channel where we're just gonna keep our mindset on one thing. No, within a few months, in maybe a year or so, we're gonna be able to have 2 bikes in here, which is gonna be amazing. I'm still gonna bring you guys a sport bike. I've been telling you guys that for the whole year already, that I'm gonna be adding a sport bike to the channel. So little by little, we're gonna get there, I promise. Now another reason why is because this bike is gonna make you have such a special feelings, and it make you feel like no other bike. And I brought that up in a video that I did 2 videos ago on why I chose Harley Davidson as my first bike, or just Harley Davidson in general. But part of the reason was because these bikes in general just give you a special feeling, and until you own a Harley Davidson, you won't know what that feeling is. You really won't. Now another reason is value. These bikes hold their values really good. You can buy a bunch of used Harley Davidson bikes, and you're not going to get them for super cheap. Yes, you're going to get them for less than what they went for when they were brand new, but these bikes really hold their value. And when it comes to terms of, let's say for example, this bike, the Lowrider S, the previous Lowrider S, last year that bike was going, even now, that bike was going for more than what it was originally selling for in dealerships, which was amazing. That's just insane. That's you only see that with collectibles, and obviously, out of these bikes, they don't make such an astronomical amount where the value just decreases. They keep them at a good level, but this bike in particular definitely holds its value for what it is. It's a special bike. This is this is one special bike right here. Now another reason, and a very special reason, is that you owning Harley Davidson is like you owning a piece of history, a piece of Americana. This bike has, this company has been around since 1903, and it's probably one of the longest running motorcycle companies, if not the longest motorcycle company there is, and it's just the history. Just for you to know that I have part of this company that's been around for over 100 years, that's nice. Me as a collector myself, not of bikes, but a collector of other different things, I know what collecting is. I know what it feels like. I used to collect comic books. I collect a bunch of Supreme stuff. I was a sneaker collector. I had over 200 pair of sneakers in my closet. So from a person who collects items, having something as special as this part of history is it's amazing. And for me, it's just an honor to have this, to own this. This is special, man. It makes me feel real special. Now another reason why is because having one of these bikes is it's a good conversation starter. Anywhere I go with this bike, people stop, they stare at it, they look at it, they ask me questions, and it's a really good conversation starter. We start talking about this bike, we start talking about the bikes that they have, that they used to have. We start talking about any other bikes in the company at the time, and that leads to us start talking about other things, and builds friendships, builds relationships, it builds a lot, and that's something special. That the fact that this piece of artwork, because that's what I think that this bike is a piece of artwork, is able to do something like that. It's able to bind people together, bring people together, and bring joyfulness, man. Just, it's building bonds, building special bonds and special relationships. It's a good conversation starter, man. Anytime when I'm rolling down the street and I crank down on my throttle, people hear that beautiful, amazing, unique sound that only Harley Davidson makes. It turns heads. And people love looking, they love the sound of Harley Davidsons. It's the best bike to have. Let's be honest here, guys. Anybody who wants a bike, dreams of having a Harley Davidson, whether they're on a sport bike right now, a naked bike, on a dirt bike, on an adventure bike. Everyone wishes they had a Harley Davidson. If you go around the world and you, for people outside the US, it's a little harder to have these beautiful bikes, man. It's more expensive for them to have. It's a little more harder to get. And I think that sometimes we take that for granted. But it's something special that a lot of people around wish that they could have, and I'm really proud to have this as my bike. I'm really proud to ride my Harley Davidson, and that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Share your thoughts with me. Let me know how your Harley Davidson feels. Let me know if you want a Harley Davidson, which Harley you want, reasons why you want it, and let me know what your bike, what type of joyfulness, what type of feelings your bike brings, or an amazing time where maybe you made friends because of your bike. That's gonna be it. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button. Make sure to smash the like button right now. It's gonna really help me out with the YouTube algorithm, because otherwise if you don't smash the like button, it's not gonna let people know that this video's up.